A customer just reached out to me because they wanted to know how to change out their own nozzle. I'm a big fan of allowing the homeowner to do some of the work themselves. Changing a nozzle is easy. I showed them the only way I know how, through a video. Watch here. All right, let's say that this is the nozzle you need to change. Now, obviously this one is working fine, but we're gonna use this one as the example. What you would do is hold the shaft part with one hand. Now, I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna unscrew with my right hand, but if your dominant hand is your left, maybe you hold the shaft with your right hand. Either way, you hold the shaft with one hand while unscrewing the nozzle with the other hand, and then you wanna pull up slowly because you're gonna reveal a nozzle and a filter. Then you would grab your new nozzle and filter, stick the filter in first, and then take the nozzle, and using your thumb to press down, and your other hand to twist the nozzle like you see here, you can get the nozzle back onto the sprinkler head. It might take a couple of rotations, and there you have it. Your nozzle's changed. Easy peasy. Anybody can do it. All right, have a great weekend, everyone. Peace.